Hey guys, welcome back to Terry of All Trades. So today I just finished the gym, and I had my post protein shakes already. Been like an hour, and now I'm gonna show you guys what I have for a little breakfast right now. So if you look right here, I got my frying pan heated up right now, slow heat. I got 3 whole eggs. I got a box of egg whites. I use this right here, but I'm not gonna use the whole box. So what I basically do, like if you look right here, is let's see, half a cup. So I'm gonna have half a cup of egg whites added to this. And if you look right here, this is a Ziploc bag. I had already 2 days ago pre-cut this. So basically I have the yellow squash, green squash, scallions, tomatoes, onions, green pepper, red pepper, and yep, that's about it in there. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'll stir fry this for a couple minutes. Alright, so if you guys see, I just dumped like a handful of this of my mixed veggies and everything right here, and I still have a lot more. So this should last me maybe another 2 to 3 days. Alright guys, so as you see, I swapped my frying pan. I think the other one was a little too big and it was not cooking properly in the other one, so I like this non-stick one. So what I'm gonna do, I'll add my 3 eggs. Half a cup of egg whites. And that's in slow cook right now. After we finish stir it up a little bit, we'll add a little bit of pink salt, just a little tiny bit. I don't use too much sodium. Then we're gonna add some black pepper. That's all I use. You know, if you guys want, go always add some ketchup or hot sauce at the end. Alright guys, so here you go. We're all finished. And you guys could eat half and eat half later, or you could just finish the whole thing up. And if you guys click into my description box, I'll leave all my ingredients that I use. You have all my list of everything there, so you guys can make your own. And this is a fast, healthy, high protein breakfast. Building muscle, just staying lean, staying healthy, and my daughter's ready to get in. And if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, guys. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Any question, you guys could always comment.